Hi friends, I'm Chakravarti. I'm going to teach here Python. Python is an interpreted programming language and uh, it is a high level and it is a general purpose programming language. Before going to see what is Python introduction and what is its concepts and what is the features and what is the inside in-depth concepts, we are going to learn the first 10 programs we are going to see. This class we are going to see five programs. Next class we are going to see the another five more programs. Mm, Find the number is a even or odd number. Find the given number. Or we can simply write the check the given number is a even or odd number. We are going to write next program. First we are try to write this program logic. Take the one more other program. Uh, like we are going to save this file as I'm going to go to the DT section. We are going to create the Python demo session. I'm going to create one folder called demo session session one. Here I'm going to give the file name as test.py. Before we uh, not going to teach the concepts first before we want to make you aware of that what is a Python, how simple it is Python. That's why I'm going to teach that 5 to 10 programs for you. Different types of programs and string for loops and while loops and the functions. I'm going to make you aware of these programs. I'm going to write the program call. Check the given number is even or odd. Um, right. First of all, I'm going to take one number called number is equals to some number called 25 and write one function even or odd number. I'm going to pass this number. It is a function call. Next, I'm going to define this function. Or um, next, I'm going to check that number is a modulo 2 equal to 0. Next, I'm going to check after checking that I'm going to print that number is a even number. If the if the statement is becomes true, it it executes the statement like print even number. If the statement is false, I'm going to print that else block. Come to the else block. Number is a odd number. If you want to print the number also, we can print number also number. Or we can write that format number. Or like this also we can write numbers. This is a function call. This one is a function definition. Function definition. This is a function definition. We go want to save this. I'm going to open the command prompt in the location of the file. Where the location I'm going to see here. Here, type the command cmd. I'm going to see that here there is a file called test.py. We want to execute that Python test.py. 25 odd number. 25 is the odd number. We are going to see. In future, we are going to learn what is the Python, how it is come, but how to execute this file. We are going to see in future. Let's, I'm going to show you these programs only for the sake of aware of that. What how Python is a symbol, how we can write like the purpose only. I'm saying showing that 5 to 10 programs, 5 to 10 or 10 to 12 programs. I'm going to show you. Next program. Mm, Next program is I'm going to take the string. Uh, Write a program to reverse the given string. We are going to reverse the given string. Suppose I'm going to erase this one. Suppose take that. I'm going to take the user name. I'm going to take some portions. You want the one is a username. I'm going to take this one as a some low hit, or we can take that foreign names. John Son. I'm going to take this name of Johnson. If anyone names comes with Johnson, don't be bothered. I'm taking the demo purpose only, sake of example only. Sorry for that if your name comes from this name, Johnson, and write a function called string reverse. I'm going to write str reverse, str underscore reverse. I'm going to pass this name, those one name. Once again, okay, this is the function call. This is the function call. This is a function definition. I'm going to take the number, your name. Like this also we can take. No need that both are same name. We can take different names also. This one is a function uh, actual parameter. This one is a formal parameter. This name and this name is uh, need not be a same, maybe different also. This is a function definition. We are going to write that. Here you can simply write there is a operator called slice operator. Here we can write that simply write that user name column -1, or we can write here simply, or we can use that loop also. Simply we can write like this also. Here too we are returning. That's why we are going to print that. See this function. I have saved the function. I think so. CLS Python test.py Johnson. See the reverse of the Johnson. If you take that another name called take that Jammu Jammu number Kashmir and take that place name. See once again we will only execute this one Python test.py. See that name is. If you make it will be too difficult, means take that any name that fruit name called apple. You can take the fruit name simply and execute this code. Python test.py. See, next function, I'm going to use that loop, like count to the number of individual digits in the given number. We are going to write this function. Say suppose we can take the number called uh, 546. We are going to count this number. Like how many numbers are there? Three numbers. We are get the output as three. If you write the function count digit, we are write the function name as count digit number. We are going to pass the number. Is the function calling here count digits number function definition here. Uh, Here uh, we can take using the for loop also, or we can use the make you convert the str and then later then we can make that length function. And instead of that, I will write that customer like how means use that while loop. That number is less than greater than zero. We will try this one. We have to try. No need to buy hard this concepts. We are going to practice. Practice makes perfect like that. We are going to try that. If the digit digit equal to number modulo 10, it will give the last number. After that, we are going to count, or we can write like normally also count plus one. We are in this function. We are not in any count variable. We are going to initialize the count variable. Count equals to 0. This is the problem with this, this normal notepad. No indentation proper. We are have to do the spaces correctly. Next letter. Number equal to number 10. If they, I'm going to explain last whole this one. After completion of this number, we are going to return count into that function. Execute this function. Python stu.py. We got the indentation somewhere. I think so here. I think somewhere. Here we go. This is the indentation. Okay. Like this, we have to solve the errors. We got the three as the output. Is I'm simplify this function. Instead of writing this lots of code, I'm going to write in Python. I'm simplify this function. Like I'm written the length of str of number. Simply one line. And what how it is simple. We have written that logic, this good logic, we got the two errors. But after writing this one line, we did not got any singular also. How is this simple? Try to take another number also. If you have any doubt, means try to take another number. Instead of taking this number, and uh, 1087, I'm going to take this number. Check this number. We will get the 4 as the output. Going to execute one more time. If some people have the doubt like I'm editing like they have see 4 is the number. Um, next one is um, same example only I'm going to take, but I'm going to use the sums. Sum of the individual individual digits in the given number. How it is means if you take one number means like 9875 means I'm going to add this number 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. What is the 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 7, 7 is mm, 17 plus 7 is 20, 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. We got the 25, 29 as output. Like if you take the simple number like 3, 4, 5, 7. Take this number means we got the answer like 4 plus 5 plus 7. Like we will get the answer like 9. 9 plus 7, 16. I think so. Very nice. Okay. I think so. 16. Write the code for this. Here, I'm not going to. First of all, we see the simple method. Later, we see that difficult process, complex process. We're going to take the number part. Instead of giving that statically, I'm going to take the dynamic values. I'm going to use that input. Enter enter your number. To see use that here. I'm going to typecast this. Typecast this one. This input is returns a string value. If you give the number also, it will instead of a number, it will be the string format, string value. Next, sum of digits. We have to write the sum of digits number. Sum of sum of digits number. Here we will write the mm, here I'm going to use one function called sum function instead of this. Here I'm going to write I in str of number. I will explain this one. Don't worry about this. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm trying this one. We will get that answer also. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. I think so. We not pending here. Now we will get the answer. Yes. 1, 2, 3. We got the 6 is the answer. I think it is working. Here, these are like list comprehension. After passing the number is uh, number to the function. We are taking the number. After this, we are converting the number to the in the string format. In string, the string is a iterative, one type of iterative one. From for loop, it is taking the one by one ways. Like if you pass the one, two, three number, it will take first is one. One it is converting into the int of it will convert into a string to it will like it will showing like the in the format of one. After that, it will converting into in this format. Like it will placing into list. It will placing into list like list. It will take later. Later, second time it is the is taking that uh, two. Two it is converting into in the form of int. We are taking into two in the list. Later, three. Three it is converting into in the form of int. We are going to get in the list. In this format, we will get the list. We are making that list. Sum of list means one, two, three. Four. It is like this. We are getting. I'm going to explain once again this function how it is getting here in the comment section. Like if you take one, two, three, like this is a number. So suppose we can take the one, two, three is a number. Uh, if the for loop is executing three times, I think three numbers means three times it is executing. First, it is taking that number. First of all, the number is converted into the string format. String format of number means it is taking the one, two, three. Like for I in this like this it is getting. First of all, it is coming from one. One means it is converting one. It is converting one. If you take the one means it is in the form of string only. We are going to make that string into int. In after that, we are appending into list. List comprehension means we are appending into list like this. Like this, we are first of all it is come to the one. One it is converting into int and it is appending into list. Later two. First it is one. Later two. Later three. All comes to the one, two, three. Like this we will get. We are making the sum of one, two, three. Like this we are get to get. We are making this six is the answer. If you want to me print that list also, I'm going to print the list also. Instead of sum, I'm going to print that list means I'm going to print the list also. Two, three. We are making the sum. 5, 4, 6. We got 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. We got. We are going to see this type of programs. Lot more programs are there. We are going to see it one by one now. We're going to the real classes. Uh, Next program is sum of the natural numbers. Sum of the natural number program. Sum of natural numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. If you take that, we are going to give that as equals to 10 means up to 10 it will going to sum. 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 11. We will get the 55 I think so answer. Right, small program. Visual ones. Right in range of 1 to number plus 1 to sum equals to sum plus I. We are going to declare the sum equal to 0 into the sum. If we take the number, I'm going to take this number as diameter. Enter your number. Sorry, enter your number. I'm going to save this function. I think so we have taken one more step. This is a problem with Notepad, but we have to try to- up to we get confident on writing the programs in uh, Python programs, or we have to write. You take that 5. I think so. It's not hard number or mistakes. 5 for 15, 10, 55, right? Answer 100, 5050. So friends, thank you. Reminding 5 to 7 programs we will teach in next session.